here you have to clean this room and this room, of course. The shelves, that should be, of course, the shelves. That's clean here, clean everything here. Yeah. So and but this room, don't enter, don't clean. You don't need to clean this. Just leave it alone. Okay. Don't open. Don't read. Don't make this spell.
You or me, I'm here. Who is he?
Come on guys, we have to clean. We must clean. Go! Let's go, that's what I thought. Yeah, bro.
What are you doing here?
Who are you?
Who am I? You ask me who am I? You're just standing in my house and you ask me who am I? Who are you is a better question. Just clean it up. Every week it happens. Just look, I'm used to it. Just clean it up. Action, okay guys? Clean it up! Quick, the boss is coming.
Tomorrow about this, bring me the please.
Hide, come on, hide, quick!
What are you doing here? And wait, where's the cleaner?
He already went home.
Here? You're fired. You're fired. And you're also fired. And you too.